Today's working world runs on writing. Through email, reports, social media, and instant messaging, you can build relationships, assign or complete tasks, and collaborate with coworkers you may never see in person. Creating messages that people will act on demands writing that is strategic, not only clear and direct, but well thought out and framed to appeal to the reader's motivations. You might be used to just jumping into writing your message, but you should spend equal amounts of time on 3 tasks: planning your message, drafting your message, and editing your message. This shift in time management will take some practice, but once you get into the habit, the benefits of planning, organizing, and reviewing your output won't take any extra time, but they will result in clearer, more effective writing. When you're ready to start planning, begin with the 3 components of strategic writing. First, your subject, what you're writing about. Second, your audience, who you're writing to. And third, your goal, what specifically you want to accomplish with this piece of writing. Your subject you probably know already. Maybe you're emailing a colleague with a question about market trends, or reporting to your boss about the status of a project. But what about your audience? The key to successfully targeting your message is to address everything you write as if you are communicating with a specific person. Even if you're writing to a group of people or someone you're not familiar with, you can still create a profile that will help you understand how to communicate effectively with them. Start with demographics: age, gender identity, education level, the kind of information you'd associate with a government form. Next, consider psychographics, factors that marketers look at, like lifestyle, values, and leisure interests. What things do you have in common, and what sets them apart from you? Then, ask yourself, what keeps your reader up at night? Does your reader have a problem that you know how to solve? Lastly, what questions will your reader likely have, and how can you plan your content to address them in advance? Even when you're writing to someone unfamiliar, every educated guess you can make about your reader will help your message resonate. After you have your audience in mind, it's time to map out your goal. Every document or message you write will have its own unique purpose, and you should know exactly what you want to happen when your reader is finished. For instance, a resume cover letter needs to make you stand out from the competition and demonstrate your knowledge of the job and the organization. A formal business proposal, on the other hand, has to demonstrate the financial viability of your plan, the expertise of you and your team, and an in-depth understanding of the risks and rewards. So remember, taking time to plan your writing is an investment in the success not only of a particular message, but of your career as a whole. When you have a clear understanding of the person you're writing to and clearly define what you want to accomplish with each specific message, you'll maximize the impact of everything you write.